In this example, we have a card block with a block action that defines a custom Gutenberg block. Inside the card, there's an H2 containing a link. This link has two editable attributes: card link, which is the URL where the link points to, and card title, which controls the content of the title element. Our goal is to make the link optional. If there's no link defined on the block, we don't want to show the link element. Instead, we prefer to display a simple H2 with the card title attribute. Let's see how to do this using the new block condition action. First, select the H2 element and duplicate it. We'll have two different H2 titles. One will contain the link, and the other will be a plain H2 without a link. Now, let's remove the existing link from the H2 element by going to the Properties panel and clicking the Remove Link button. However, this also removed the card title attribute. To fix this, keep the H2 selected, and in the WordPress panel, use the Block Attributes action. Use the same attribute defined on the first H2, which is card title. There's no need to specify the title field because the card title attribute is already defined on the first H2 element. On the second H2 element, we only want to use the value of this attribute as the content of the H2. Currently, both titles would always be displayed, which is not what we want. Let's select the first H2 and add a block condition action. The attribute ID should be card link. This will make the H2 visible only if the card link attribute is set. Then, on the second H2, we'll add a block condition again, using the card link attribute. This time, we'll negate the expression and select the not option. This means that the second H2 will be displayed when the card link is not set. So, we have two conditions. The first H2 is displayed when the card link is set, and the second H2 without a link is displayed when the card link attribute is not set. Now, let's test and export the plugin. The first time we export the project, we need to select the export folder. Open Theme Settings and navigate to the plugin folder within the plugins folder of your local WordPress installation. I've previously created this folder, but if it doesn't exist, create the folder where the plugin will be exported and then select it. Save the settings. Export the plugin and notice that the plugin file was added to the project. Now, we can go to our WordPress dashboard where we have the card link example plugin listed among the plugins. Let's activate it and go to a page to try it out. Insert the card link example, and here it is. We can set the title, and notice that it's just an H2 with no link at the moment because the link is not selected. If we select a link, the first H2 is displayed, the one that contains the link. This way, as far as the content editor is concerned, they'll always see just one H2, either with a link or without a link, depending on the value of the card link attribute.